This is Fleurance Nature hair mask with argan oil and shea butter. It comes in a beautiful bronze tub here with some nice detailing on the sides, and this is a great product for the hair. So it contains organic shea butter and organic argan oil. So this is a great product to help deeply nourish and deeply moisturize dry and damaged hair. It's got this nice, rich, creamy texture for your hair. So you apply it on the tips of your hair, or you can apply it as a hair conditioner if you use it more often. And it's nice and rich. It's very creamy. It's got this very beautiful, subtle almond or nutty smell. So this is a great product. It contains certified fair trade argan oil and shea butter. So you're really doing good to your hair and doing good to the groups of women that it helps in Morocco and Burkina Faso. And this is a beautiful product by Fleurance Nature, this French brand that's been a pioneer in natural cosmetics and natural healthcare since 1972.